Hi, my name is Jimmy Albano. I'm here at Barrett-Jackson in Scottsdale, Arizona, and I'm here to see my Gateway Bronco for the very first time. I bought this car sight unseen because I just love the color combination. I love the striping. I love the barnwood bed. I love the Napa leather. The steering wheel pops. Everything about the truck was just beautiful to me. I'm excited about my drop-off day early February, and can't wait to take delivery and show my family the truck that I just purchased. I met Seth just over the internet for the first couple of times and then started talking on the phone about this particular Bronco. He made the process of purchasing it super easy. You could just tell that he's the driver of the culture at Gateway Bronco facility, and it was just an amazing experience. Although I've never met any of the Gateway Bronco team, I can just tell they're meticulous, they're hands-on, their attention to detail is amazing. It's just a beautiful fit and finish. Everything just came together beautifully. Thank you guys for inviting me down to Barrett-Jackson. I'm super excited to be here to see my truck for the first time. Can't wait to get it home and drive her on the beach.